Welcome back everyone. Today what we are going to discuss is like how to create a Naukri profile and the key step that we need to focus to get maximum view from recruiters to your profile. So first I'm discussing about how to create a Naukri profile. So directly you can go to Naukri store, naukri.com. Okay. Yes, naukri.com. So over here you have two options like for freshers and a professional. So since if you are a graduate and just cleared your education and just pass out stage, I prefer to have a little bit of experience in some technology, or if it is an IT side you should have some knowledge in IT, or any few small firm you should have an experience. Then you can go with I'm a professional option, and your profile will get a good view. Okay, so I will create a both having same options or same procedures, but even I'm going with the professional. Okay, Gmail, you can give a password. Okay, here they are describing about contact you on this number, and whatever the number give over here will give this detail to the recruiter. Okay, so total work experience even from 0 year, you can, if with 3 months only experience or 1 month experience, you can mention here. You should have to create a good resume. Okay, so we'll be discussing in another video how to create a excellent resume. Okay, so what are all the formalities that will be uploading soon. That here it's be okay. So number will be, you have successfully created a profile. Current designation, so that job title you should give. If you are initially working for 1 month in some firms, and you just get knowledge from your seniors, and you can add that title as well, because for any interview they are not going to check completely what will be the experience or whatever, so you can learn something new from the web. Okay, the Google is an open platform. You can learn many technologies related to the current working scenario. So once you are in a work environment, you should try to get career growth related to your current work experience. Then only you can explain excellent with any recruiter. Okay, so your job title should give here current company. Okay, annual salary even 10,000. Yeah, fine. Work experience working since 2021, present month Feb. Okay, current city you can select Pune. Skills. Okay, I will explain about skills. One of the important options, or one of the peak option in this creating an Naukri profile. So whatever the skills you are doing should explain here properly with a comma. Okay, so that is one of the best thing, because recruiter will be searching based on your skills and experience. Marcus, 1 year experience. In my life, I had an experience like I had given one project experience, and that was, I don't have a good certificate. I didn't receive an experience certificate for that project, and even by words I just submitted, and that is not going to work in any firms. Okay, so you should get a proper certificate after your experience, and that only you can mention here for a professional company. That is mandatory. Okay, skills like Windows 8, excel excel, PowerPoint, process. So you will get different variants of Excel. Okay, so Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, fine. So Windows 10, 8, Word. Okay, financial package, everything you can add here. So the skills should be like here this, and company industry, this is search the industry your company belongs to. So as I told, you had an experience means you need to select any one of this section. So IT means service consultancy. Functional area, okay, what will be the functioning? Banking and insurance. So that you can select from here. Even I, other option, if the option is not available over this, you can select the other option. It is better to select this option for your future career, because if your current job is not matching with any of this functional area, you can select the future in which functional area you are looking, means that functional area can be selected. Okay, even company industry, you can select accordingly. Depends on your uh, interest in future. Fine. So role. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, continue. Highest qualification, graduation, course. Okay, economics, university, time or part time, and correspondence. Okay, this is one of the great challenges, I faced in many of the interviews. Full time is mostly the MNCs companies are preferable. If you are doing a correspondence course, better to explain them in the beginning of the recruitment process itself, like I have done this project or this course in correspondence space. Okay, so it will not give a it will not if you're telling the truth, will not be reduce any opportunity. It will increase the opportunity to get a job. Okay, so passing year 23, not okay, to 2050, 10th, right? Board. Okay, 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 continue. You can add more education in the last tab. Okay, your professional background. Okay, this is also one of important thing, user, if a recruiter is viewing your profile, this is the one major thing they can see from the beginning of your profile, like what you had experience and what you have studied. So you have had a less experience and a good education, you need to highlight your education in the beginning. Okay, so you had a less education and a good experience, you need to highlight your experience in the beginning. Okay, likewise, so I had, for example, we can mention as, you can get an example over here in the down. Okay, MCA with 10 years of experience in XXX technologies under XXX MNC companies. Okay, likewise, you can give a good description of your profile. Okay, professional background. This is mandatory. Yeah? Okay, fine. Preferred work location. I'll select the preferred location. Okay, that is up to your choice. And you see, I prefer if you add a IT experience, you just Google it over in which locations in India are having much IT companies. If you are from a mechanical side, you just verify on which location the mechanical company is more. So that preferred location, work location, if you selected, means you had best chances to getting view of recruiters. Described job type can be permanent, temporary, or both. Okay, that up to your job type, skills. Yes, here you can add as much as skill you know. Even a single Microsoft Word, MS Word can add. MS Word here 2020. Okay, you are using a home PC and Windows is loading in it, means you can mention Windows because you are good in Windows, regularly using Windows, right? So that you can mention. Okay, so gender. Likewise, you can add as much as skill according to your profession. Can be added over here and submit. So skip and continue apparently. Okay, heights be paid service they're asking. I think you don't need a paid service. I think session I will be uploading a video with the how to give a best view from the HR side. Okay, so this is the profile. We need to keep this profile 100 percentage. Okay, that is mandatory. So by for that you can update here, like attach resume upload. You can upload your current resume. Okay, you will get a 10 percent. It will be the 50 percentage will be 60 percentage. Okay, employment, education, project details, everything you need to fill properly. Okay, yes. So, and photo is also mandatory. Okay, so it will profile photo 40% higher chance to getting noticed by recruiters. Okay, so to go with a professional look picture or a passport with a passport photo prefer. So the recruiters will be verified, or the actions of recruiters will be increased accordingly. We can get 8 painting actions. So one by one, if you fill means the profile percentage will be high, and it's going to discuss how to search a job. Okay, the same thing you can configure it from a Naukri app. Okay, that installed in a mobile device or any device. The same things they will ask. Okay, okay. So here, okay, government job, IT job, all jobs, international job, walk-in jobs. Okay, here if you are preferred for a government job, you can select government job and you can see what are all the government jobs available in Naukri. Even you can go with the options like all jobs, and what will be the skills like Windows. Okay, Windows admin. Okay, location you can mark Pune, Pune. Yeah, and search. You can find this, and after uploading your resume, you can apply directly to some of the options, and if that option is easy apply option will come over here. It will redirect to the company portal. Okay, choose a file. See, it's asking to upload a resume, so you need to upload and you can apply. Okay, update and apply. And apart from that, I would like to discuss. Okay, so see, this is not a sorted form. You can sort it by here, sort it by reference or date. Date will be more preferable because you will get latest updated jobs. Okay, oh, that's it. Okay, so these are all with the Naukri profile. Next session we'll be discussing on how to get a more than 10 view from different recruiters to your profile for each day or daily. So that I am going to show you how to make it possible. Thanks for watching.